In today's guide, I'll show you how you can hard reset your Pioneer Xumo TV to factory default settings without the remote or without using the TV screen in case your Xumo TV is unresponsive, doesn't work with the remote, or is stuck in black screen and doesn't display anything. Let's begin. To reset your TV without the remote, you'll just need to find the onboard power button of your Xumo TV. It may be at the bottom, or in some models, it will be at the side. So just look for it, or take a look at your manual. Here you can see on our TV, it's on the left side. Now what you need to do is hold down the power button and keep holding it for at least 30 seconds. Make sure to hold it down firmly so that it's pressed down the whole time. And after you have counted half a minute, let go, and now you just wait. It may take a few minutes, and after that, if your TV has the screen on, you will see it will go black and take a restart. And if your TV was stuck in black screen, you should see the Xumo TV logo, which means your TV is back in game. And when it boots up, you'll be in the language selection screen. So congrats! Now just set up your TV once again and you'll be able to get right back into entertainment. So that's how simply you can factory restore your Xumo TV without the remote. If this helped, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to support us, and I'll see you around.